12 turn-on zones. Women wish you knew about. Think you know how to turn a woman on? Guess what? Most men are missing the mark badly. In this video, we're revealing 12 turn-on zones women secretly wish you knew about. Some, obvious. Most are not. But once you master these, trust me, you'll never be forgotten. Let's dive in. 1. Her neck soft, slow kisses, gentle breaths, or even just your fingertips. This area is sensitive and deeply romantic. Don't rush it. 2. Her inner wrists. The skin here is thin and loaded with nerve endings. A soft kiss or a light thumb trace while holding her hand. Instant electricity. 3. Behind her ears. Whisper something sweet, brush her hair aside and kiss that spot. Goosebumps. Guaranteed. 4th. Her lower back. Often ignored, but a light touch or a slow rub here feels grounding and sensual, especially when standing behind her. 5. Her inner thighs. Go slow. Tease. Never dive in too quickly. It's all about building anticipation. 6. The back of her knees. Yes, really. Soft kisses, or a light tickle here can surprise her, in a good way. It's a forgotten erogenous zone with big impact. 7. Her lips, but not just kissing. Trace them. Pause before a kiss. Bite gently. Tease with eye contact. Make it a moment, not a move. 8. Her collarbone. This is where soft meets sexy. It's visible, it's delicate, and it begs for your attention. 9. Her hair and scalp. Gently run your fingers through her hair or massage her scalp. It releases oxytocin, the love hormone, and builds deep connection. 10th. Her ankles and feet. Foot massages are underrated, and ankles are often ignored, but super sensual when touched slowly and with care. 11. Her belly and sides. Light touches here can be playful, ticklish, and incredibly teasing. It's the sweet spot between comfort and arousal. The 12th. Her mind. The biggest turn-on of all. Flirty messages, teasing eye contact, showing confidence, understanding her moods. This is where real intimacy begins. Remember, touching isn't about the act, it's about the intention. Respect, timing, and confidence make all the difference. Which zone surprised you the most? Comment below. And hey, if you want to master attraction, connection, and intimacy, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more real talk, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss what's next. Trust me, it only gets better from here. Hee hee.